Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sons of the Forest on Mac. Since the game is designed for Windows, direct installation on Mac OS isn't an option. However, there are several effective workarounds that allow you to enjoy this survival horror title on your Apple device. We will explore the best methods, ensuring you can dive into the mysterious forest without needing a Windows PC. Get ready to discover your options. One primary method involves using cloud gaming services. These platforms run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video directly to your Mac, requiring only a stable internet connection. Another approach is setting up a virtual machine, which creates a Windows environment within your Mac OS. This lets you install and play the game as if you were on a PC. For cloud gaming, services such as GeForce Now are excellent choices, offering high-performance streaming without extensive setup. With a virtual machine, you'll need to install Windows and allocate sufficient RAM and processing power from your Mac. While this offers more control, it demands more technical setup and system resources. Both methods provide a pathway to playing the game. Ultimately, your choice depends on your preference for convenience versus control. Cloud gaming is often simpler, while a virtual machine offers a more native Windows experience. Whichever path you choose, ensure your internet connection is robust for streaming, or that your Mac has enough power for a virtual environment. Check the description for links to these services and other great deals. Now, go forth and survive the forest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.